Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to pin and unpin videos in TikTok. So we are in profile. Now you see we have videos. We already pinned one video. Now we are going to pin another video. Now open another video. Now video is open, and then you see three dots. So click on it. Now you see multiple option, and then you see pin. So click on pin. Now you see pin to top of your profile. Done. Now back, and then you see we pin two videos. So you can pin multiple videos. So it's up to you. Now we are going to unpin video again. Now click on it. Again click on three dots. Now you see multiple option, and then you see unpin. So click on it. Now you see unpin from profile. Now back to profile. Now you see only one video pin. So you can pin or unpin multiple videos. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.